Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I'm going to teach you how to take these candy wrappers and turn them into a hair accessory that is so sweet you'll want to make dozens. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. For this project you'll need a hair elastic, clip, pin, or barrette, hot glue, clear cellophane tape, candy in colorful wrappers, an X-Acto knife, scissors, 4 inches of 5/8 inch wide ribbon, jewels, which are optional, and a work surface for cutting. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to decide which candy we're going to use. I'm going to use the Kit Kat bar, but the Ring Pops I think are really fantastic. First thing you're going to need to do with a Kit Kat though is because it's a full-size candy bar, you're going to need to break it. So just break it along those edges. Flip it over onto the back. Now you're going to need to be very careful when you do this, but you're going to use your X-Acto knife to gently cut through the first layer here of the plastic. Just that first layer. Try not to go all the way through to the front. And then just pop your candy out one by one. Set that aside for later, or you can munch on it while you're working. Flatten this down so they get all the air out of it. And take your cellophane tape and fold over the edge. So see how it has that little like sealed edge there? What you want to do is fold that over onto itself, and with cellophane tape, tape it down. You do want to make sure that you get that edge, because those edges, you want to go all the way to that edge, because those edges will pop up otherwise. So you can use as much as tape as you need to just seal it and secure it, and then do the same thing on the other side. Fold that over onto the back side here, and just seal that up with your tape. So that it now looks like that, nice and flat. Fold it over onto its back and fold it up in half, and then crease it really, really good. Now, you're going to need your tape for the next step, so what I'm going to do is actually prep this piece ahead of time. So I'm going to take some tape, about 2.5, 3 inches of tape, and I'm going to cut it right down the center so that I end up with 2 thin strips of tape. I'm going to place it right here, so that I can get to them when I need it. So back to what I was doing, which was on the back side, front facing down, fold it over in half, then take this edge and fold it to the middle. So the one edge goes to the middle, then flip it over and take the other edge to the middle and crease really good. Find the center. You can fold it in half to find the center and pinch it with your fingers, and take one piece of tape and right at that center point, wrap that tape around and around, so that you end up with your bow shape. Now, you're not done yet though. You want to flatten this out a little bit. So take your finger and push it down, straight down, to make it pooch open. Take that piece of tape and wrap it around. Now, for this next step, if you want to, you can use duct tape or glitter tape or any other kind of tape you would like. But I'm actually going to use ribbon because I just think ribbon looks nicer. You want about 4 inches of ribbon. Take your ribbon, flip your candy over, and you're going to place glue about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch down. See that? And then you're going to place this on the front edge of your candy, right in the middle. Now push it down and take a little bit of glue right on the edge of this ribbon, as close to the edge as you can get. Now let it dry for about like 10 seconds, just so you're not going to burn yourself when you fold this over. So now you've got it sealed like that. And we're going to attach whatever back we want. So in this case, I'm going to use a scrunchie. So pull this through your scrunchie. Add some hot glue here. That's going to be for your scrunchie. Just place it right on top there. Be careful of your fingers. Now add a little hot glue behind and on top of the scrunchie so that you can wrap this up and over. That's secured. Now you're going to come around, wrap it again to make this nice and neat. And pull it around to the back. And once again, this is going to just secure it to make sure it's nice and tight and that it's not going anywhere. And you can cut off any little bit of extra that you have there. And there you got it sealed. Now at this point, you just fluff it up a little bit and you got your bow. And if you want to, you can add a fabulous jewel in the center. And that's how you turn a recycled wrapper into a super sweet hair bow. For more great recycled ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com.